All you ever do is yell at me.
Wow, a flower! A flower! You ate it?
Oh, you growling at me? Don't show off.
If you don't stop biting my hands, I'm gonna bite yours.
This dog's kind of crazy with it. Hey, Foo. What are you woo-woo-wooing at me, Foo? Don't growl at me. I gotta watch you, Foo. You're gonna bite someone.
Hi. Can I touch you? Oh, okay.
Are you done? No. No.
That's what we gonna do? Go back in your crate. Go back.
Lie down.
Don't you step on the flowers. It's Layla.